Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be giving a presentation on the topics software engineering and project management in the subject software engineering. Hi guys, my name is Prakriti P. I'm a third year computer science engineering student studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today I'll be giving a presentation on the topic project management in the subject social engineering. So I'll be giving a brief explanation about software engineering, project management, its key aspects, and some of the common project management methodologies, and then I'll be concluding my presentation. So first of all, let's begin with software engineering. What is software engineering? Basically, it's a branch of computer science which deals with uh, or focuses on design, development, testing, maintenance of software applications by applying engineering principles and methodologies. The main goal of the software engineering is to produce a high quality software that is reliable, efficient, scalable, and meets needs of users while adhering to project timelines and budgets. The next topic is project management. Project management is very important in software engineering, and it involves planning, organizing, overseeing the development of software to ensure it is delivered on time within a budget and meets the quality standards. It applies general project management principles to the software development process, addressing the unique challenges of the software projects, such as evolving requirements, technical complexities, and team collaborations. Some of the key aspects is planning, scheduling, resource management, risk management, budgeting, communication, monitoring and control, quality assurance, and delivery and deployment. So, what is planning? Planning is nothing but defining the project scope, goals, the deliverables, and timelines, and breaking down tasks or estimating the resources. This is the first step of any software project management. And then is the second one is scheduling. Scheduling means creating detailed schedules like charts, carbon boards, and setting milestones and deadlines, prioritizing our work and based on the dependencies and risk. This is called as scheduling. Resource management. Resource management is nothing but allocating right people, tools, and infrastructure for the work which is required, and balancing the workloads across the team and members. Then next step is risk management. Risk management is nothing but identifying potential risk and also mitigating risk through contingency plans. Budgeting is nothing but estimating and managing project cost, tracking expenses to avoid overruns, and communication is regular updates to stakeholders, facilitating team collaboration through tools, and monitoring and control is nothing but tracking project progress and ensuring alignment with project goals through regular reviews. Quality assurance is nothing but implementing test phases, ensuring the final product meets the quality standards. Delivery and deployment is nothing but overseeing the launch and ensuring the success of deployment, and also managing post launch maintenance and updates. Some of the common project management methodologies is nothing, it's waterfall, agile, Scrum, Kanban, DevOps are some of the project management methodologies. So waterfall is nothing but I'll be explaining it in. These are some of the key important points, which is sequential approach best for defined projects is the waterfall one, and the agile is nothing but it's flexible, focuses on delivering small increments and iterative. Scrum is nothing but it is an agile framework within sprints and daily standards. Kanban is nothing but a visual task management with continuous delivery. DevOps is combined. It combines development and operations for faster release. These are some of the key points of these common project methodologies. So waterfall methodology is nothing but so I'll be explaining these in detail. So waterfall methodology is the first one, which is a linear sequential approach where each phase is completed before moving to the next phase, and some of the phases is its requirements, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It is best used for It is best for projects with well-defined, stable requirements. Pros is nothing but it's simple to manage and understand. It has clear documentation at each stage. And cons is we can say cons is it is inflexible, hard to adapt to changes, late discovery of issues during testing. Agile methodology is the second one, which is an iterative incremental approach which focuses on flexibility and continuous feedback. Software development, which is in small and workable iterations or increments. So, some of the core principles is it is collaboration with stakeholders, responding to changeover, following a fixed plan, delivering working software frequency, which is every 1 to 4 weeks, which is best used for dynamic projects with evolving requirements. Pros is it is having a high adaptability to changing requirements, faster delivery and feedback loops. Cons is nothing but it requires a frequent customer involvement and can lead to scope creep if not managed well. Scrum is also an agile framework, which basically is a popular agile framework which organizes works into sprints, which is 2 to 4 week cycles with the defined goals. So, some of the key elements is it sets goals for sprint, and daily stand-ups is short daily meetings and to review the progress. Sprint review is nothing but it demonstrates the completed work to stakeholders, and retrospective is nothing but reflects on the improvements after each sprint. It is which is best for teamworks which value collaboration and rapid iterations. Some of the process it is having clear accountability and rules, and it has fast delivery of features. Cons is nothing but it requires disciplined team coordination. It is difficult for distributed teams. Kanban methodology is nothing but a visual method of using boards to track work as it progresses through different stages, and it focuses on continuous delivery without fixed iteration. Some of the key elements is it has visual board and with columns, and it is work in progress which limits to avoid overload, and it is best for ongoing maintenance and supports projects, and it has easy to implement and understand. It is highly flexible and responsive to change. It also lacks cons is it lacks of fixed deadlines may lead to delays and can become a chaotic without limits. So the next one is DevOps methodology, which combines development and operations to enable faster, more reliable software releases. Automate It also automates testing, integration, and development. Some of the key elements is it has continuous integration and also continuous deployment, and it can have a collaboration between developers and IT teams. It is best used for large scale complex projects which requires frequent releases. And pros is it has faster time to market, reduces failure rates in deployments, and cons is it requires a significant cultural and tool changes and can be challenging to implement fully. Spiral model it combines iterative development with risk management, and the project passes through repeated cycles and addresses risk at each phase. It is best for high risk projects which are basically require frequent evaluation, and process it focuses on risk mitigation, flexibility to incorporate changes, and expensive cons is it's expensive and complex to manage, and heavy reliance and risk analysis. Okay. Um, yeah, now I would like to give a conclusion for my presentation, which is basically we know that project management methodologies provides us a structured approach for planning, executing, and delivering software projects, which is the right methodology basically depends on the project size, complexity, and adaptability to change. Waterfall suits stable and it is well defined projects. Agile and Scrum are basically thrive in dynamic environments needing flexibility. Kanban is an ideal for continuous workflows, and deploys as DevOps is nothing but it accelerates delivery for large and complex systems. And Spiral is best for high risk projects where we lean on emphasizing the speed and efficiency. So basically choosing the right approach ensures a better resource management, higher quality software, and which is very important, and it also helps us to give a successful project completion. Thank you so much for watching my video until the very end. See you guys in my next video.